Today we are going to show you how to put this very simple profile on your fence pickets to make yourself stand apart from others. You're going to get more money and more sales this way because nobody else that I've seen is doing this. It's a very simple procedure. There are two different ways of doing it. First one is your single boxes, and the second one is going to be stackable as many high as you want to go. We're going to show you both methods right now. For this one, we are using a full width fence board as it came from the store. Set the fence to 2.5 inches. Then tilt the blade to 45 degrees. Here I am setting my ruler to 1/4 inch. Now I am setting the blade height to 1/4 inch. And there is your first cut. Now set the blade back to 0. Move the fence to 2 5/8. Now set the blade to 1/4 inch as the height has changed. And there is your final cut. Okay, this is the board that we just did. And this is the next one that we're going to do. It has a bevel on the top. And when you're using this style in a planter like this one, it's designed to be stackable. So this board is the same as the bottom one. And when you're doing the top one, don't cut the bevel because the trim sits on top and you don't want to have a space there for no reason where the bevel will be cut. Set the fence to 5 1/4. Here I am setting the blade height to cut right through the board. Here we are just creating a clean edge. Now set the saw to 5 1/8. Flip the board so the clean side is against the fence and make the cut. Now set the fence to 2 5/16. If you don't have the measuring tape built into your saw, set the fence before tilting the blade. Now tilt the blade to 45 degrees. Set the blade height at 1/4 inch. There is your first cut. Move the fence to 4 7/8. Now raise the blade a bit, just enough to go through the board. Now set the blade back to 0. Move the fence to 2 7/16. Set the blade at 1/4 inch. Now set the blade height at 3/8 of an inch. Now cut a small rabbet on the bottom, just a blade width or two. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please click like, subscribe, click the bell notification, leave a comment down below. We will always give you every piece of information, including a cut list and a complete tutorial with all dimensions on how to make everything that we do. And we have tons of projects lined up coming up, including these planters that you see here. If you want to see this planter right here, click over there.